Hi, welcome back to the channel. Here's Sonny.
I'm grooming.
Welcome back for another video.
I'm brushing his
This
hair.
is what he does when you brush his hair.
Should I brush hair? Should I brush hair? No? Yeah? Please? There we go. No? Go like that. Yeah. Yeah. It doesn't hurt to brush your hair. Ow! He goes, no.
We gotta brush him every day, you know that, right?
Yep.
So he don't get tangled.
I don't want you to get tangled up. You don't look like a matted cat. I don't want you to be a matted cat, okay? Ow! Whoa! Ow! He bites us every day. Really? He's purring and biting me at the same time. He's like purring though. He's like, because he thinks I'm playing with him. Ow. Ow.
He don't like his head being touched that much. I noticed that.
Ow.
He had a bath yesterday. Jewell gave him one.
He was screaming bloody murder like he was gonna die. He was like, "Ow! I don't want this." Yeah. You notice when you brush his hair gets a little lighter. Bubba? You know what, Bubba?
Yeah.
Look how mean you are. You're so mean. Are you playing? Say hello to the camera. Say hi.
Come back. I was trying to take a picture of him, but he was moving. I don't know if I got it or not.
He was like,
He'll be 9 weeks Sunday.
how would you feel when I blow in your ears and then look how mean. Ah! He's a demon. That's how much hair that's done out. Fur. He's being a demon. You want to give him a treat? What? I'm going to give him a treat for being a demon. No? You can stay right here. Stay.
Come to mama.
You're not the mama.
I'm his mom.
Oh, pick a treat for him. Okay, tell me where.
What color do you want?
Just choose one. You already had the chewy one. You already had it.
Yeah. Oh well, you can have another one.
I'll get him out in a minute and play with him.
There you go.
These are treats?
Yeah, they're treats.
How do you feed to
See,
them?
he's a demon.
That's what he does.
He does that. See, like when I get him
Mom, don't talk about twink.
Yeah, you gave it.
You gave her one. Because
Yes,
you
did.
took one of her drinks.
Yeah, remember?
Come here, demon.
Ow!
Come to
Stop. No.
Come
Here.
my baby. Mwah.
We gave him, we're starting to give him water.
Yeah, just water instead of milk. Because milk really ain't that good for them. It actually will give them a stomach problem.
But I think he loves milk, but we're still going to give him.
I gave it to him at night, every night for ever since he was 3 weeks old. But because he needed milk for a couple more weeks, and I could have got him pet milk, you know, but he drank regular milk.
Yeah.
Tommy.
No, he looks like Miss Abby's cat. He don't look like Tommy.
Oh, we call this ball. One little kitty.
I might make a playing video too, but thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below what else you'd like us to do.